Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of agricultureinformation.com, I welcome Dr. Rashmi, and she will talk about Rashvee-IPRS, eco-friendly climate resilience innovations in sustainable pest management, from theory to practice. I now request the speaker to begin.
Afternoon and warm greetings to everyone. I'm Rashmi. I'm the founder of Rashmi International Phytosanitary Research and Services. So, I'm an entomologist. I have done my PhD and MSc from University of Agriculture Sciences, GKVK, Bangalore. So, today I am honored to share our journey with the agriculture information team. So Rashvee-IPRS is a agri startup with a core mission to empower farmers with sustainable pest management practices. At Rashvee-IPRS, we believe that the pest management should not come at the cost of human health or environmental integrity. So our research-driven vision has now evolved into a scalable movement, bringing the herbal, non-insecticidal and climate resilient solutions to the fields of Indian farmers. So in this presentation, we'll walk you through our innovations, how we turned our research ideas into impact, and how we are empowering farmers to produce safe, residue-free horticultural crops while also protecting the biodiversity. At our IPRS, we specialize in providing residue-free, eco-friendly pest management solutions. As you see, it is international phytosanitary research and services. Phytosanitary means it is the plant health. We are also accredited from Directorate of Plant Protection, Quarantine and Storage, where I am the accredited service provider for the export consignments. I'll be showing them in the further slides. And here you can see our plant health clinic where we coordinate from seed or plant material to the crop protection products, the integrated pest management, disease management, nutrition management, and also facilitate marketing of residue-free fruits and vegetables. So far, we have networked across South India, impacting the horticultural farmers. So as you know, pests, the insects are more than 80% of the animal kingdom. So in that, the fruit flies, they cause up to 80% loss in horticulture crops. And they are the major quarantine pest, which impact economical crops like mango, guava, cucurbits, tomato, gherkins. And there are around 15 main fruit fly species which cause damage. The damage will be in the form of fruit drop, rot, or as I already said, they are the quarantine pests, so it causes export rejections. And so far, there was no satisfactory control. Therefore, we started researching on this. So, the existing traps are subject to climate disturbances and are often laced with insecticides. And the effective insecticides which were used in these old traps are now banned. And there are also few of the hyped female traps available in the market are not only costly but also ineffective in the field. So therefore, a good trapping system in integrated pest management was required. So there was a need for non-insecticidal, climate resilient and a cost-effective, farmer-friendly trapping system in the management of fruit fly. So we combined these multiple scientific components to enhance the efficiency and field stability. So we have standardized a lure in liquid form that is 100% herbal and climate resilient with anti-evaporants and stabilizers, imparting temperature resilience. The lure efficiency is also not affected at high ambient temperatures, and this is 100% eco-friendly. and there is no need to add any insecticides as in case of the conventional traps. The efficiency in the field is also high for more than 65 days. Additionally, additionally, we have also standardized a cork for the hooded trap. Uh, the farmers need not buy a trap. They can use any used wastewater bottle as you are seeing in this picture. They have to use this hooded cap which fits into any used water bottle. And this is a climate resilient cap which is developed with parachute technology. You can see these slits. They 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 reduce the air drag, and this skirt rain hood, this guards from the heavy rain. And here you can see the farmers, if they follow this crop geometry as shown here, it covers the whole orchard. And they have to add only a 5 ml of this liquid lure into 200 ml of the water, and then use these traps in the fruits and vegetables. So here, as I already said, the farmers can use the used waste water bottles. So this reduces the cost of IPM by 70% and makes the trapping system more economical. And this was developed for both fruits and vegetables. So even marginal and small farmers with both fruits and vegetables in small area can use these traps. And this climate resilience was tested at University of Agriculture Sciences, GKVK Bangalore, and the lure was found to be unaffected by high rainfall, high wind, and high temperatures. And prior to this, a lot of olfactory experiments were carried out to converge on this technology. And there were also field studies conducted for over more than 2,500 acres. And the feedback from the main stakeholders, farmers, was recorded. And they have expressed a very high acceptability and user friendliness. And the trap is equally also serves as a diversity indicator and a surveillance tool. And this study was done at ICR, NBIR. And the female fruit flies are attracted to the fruit for oviposition because of the volatiles and the yeast present on the fruit. So there are millions of volatile combinations on the mango or the other fruit. So we have developed a product to wash or remove these volatiles and the yeast from the fruit. So therefore the females are not oriented towards the fruit. So this is our second product, the Rashvi Herbal Liquid Soap Adjuvant, which acts as a very good adjuvant along with the as a directing, which repels the fruit flies ovipositing on the fruits, and this washes off the yeast on the fruits. So these are the BIRAC products, products which we developed under BIRAC DBT. So the IPM using these BIRAC products showed less than 10% damage, whereas the conventional and commercial traps resulted in more than 40% loss. So even the use of bait further fortifies the IPM, resulting in integrated excellent 100% control. So once the fruits are harvested, they undergo hot water treatment, which is accepted globally. Even this hot water treatment is a successful IHR technology developed for the export of mangoes. This was also developed by Dr. Abraham Verghese. Um, Now this has ramified and it is used all over India, and it is approved by European Union countries. Currently, there are 52 registered hot water treatment plants in India. So our technology is tailored to dovetail both pre-harvest and post-harvest process to facilitate export to European Union countries. And the second product which we developed was for the stored grain pest. Food grains, as you all know, particularly pulses, are highly susceptible to the damage from stored grain pests, especially bruchids. And these pests can cause significant loss ranging from 30% to 100%. So before the grains even reach customers, there is a lot of loss. So this is crucial to prevent these losses in retail kitchen storage in a safe and effective manner. But current methods to manage this stored grain pests are only toxic chemicals and fumigants. Mainly, methyl bromide and aluminum phosphide are used in India, and they are used only in the godowns, and they are not available for small storage and even for kitchen storages, and they are highly carcinogenic. And lot of chemical pesticides are also used for stored grain pest management, like deltamethrin, chlorpyrifos, cypermethrin. So these pesticides cause serious health issues and they are carcinogenic. So there was a need for developing a herbal product for the stored grain pest management. So under under DST, we are also incubated at Siddhaganga Incubation Foundation. So under DST Nidhi, we got funding for developing of this product. So our invention is herbal fortified Rashvee tag. So this acts as a non-insecticidal repellent, specifically targeting the Calosobruchus and also other stored grain pests. And this is 100% eco-friendly, and this utilizes synthetic volatiles that are safe for humans and environment. And even the efficiency is proven very good, and it disrupts the pest behavior and prevent the infestation. So here, these are the tabs which can be used in the kitchen storage, which is very safe for humans. And even this product is patented and it is validated by ICAR, National Institute of Seed Science and Technology. And even the product was chosen for, and it was published in the annual report, DST annual report. And currently we are working on bioprotectant against termites. Termites are also a very major pest, and they cause severe damage. Even during building of houses in the foundation, there is a lot of chemicals are used, and which causes contamination of the groundwater. So we are developing this herbal product for control of the termites under RKVY Raftar program. We are incubated at Krushik Incubation Center, University of Agricultural Sciences, Dharwad. And the preliminary results are very good, and we are working on this product now. And this is our plant health clinic, which I mentioned earlier, where we diagnose and supply agri inputs to the farmers. And as I mentioned, I am a certified phytosanitary service provider. So we have facilitated more than 5,000 shipments to Malaysia, Japan, USA, New Zealand, UAE, Kuwait, and Qatar. We are accredited from Directorate of Plant Protection, Quarantine and Storage. So we are working with the farmers, and we give free consultation and trainings for the farmers. These are some of the pictures showing the trainings given for the farmers. And this is our team. Our chairman, Dr. Abraham Verghese, he is also my PhD guide. He is the former director of ICR NBAR and former head of ICR IAHR. And this is our extended team. And we are also certified by the government bodies and incubated at IIHR Siddhaganga and US Dharwad. These are a few of our awards which we have got to our startup. And we also have journal which is 27 years old. The Here we publish insect articles, and also every week we have blogs, alerts for the farmers and also the extension personals. Even you can subscribe for the Insect Environment Journal. It is free of cost. You can go to our website and read the articles. And this is our YouTube channel where we have few of farmer feedbacks and also the pest management solutions videos available. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your wonderful presentation. I will take up the questions. In the meantime, is it possible for you to switch on the camera, ma'am?
Yes, one second.
Okay, ma'am. I'll take up the questions now. This is
Yes.
fine. Okay. Madam, how does your system adapt to different crop, soil conditions, and agroclimate zones?
As I mentioned, it is a climate resilient trap. So we have tested in different regions, even farmers from Jharkhand, and even recently it was tested for the temperate fruits in Jammu, and it is working well. It has anti-evaporants, so it works well even at high temperatures.
Okay. How cost effective is Rashvee-IPRS compared to traditional pesticide-based system?
Yes, for example, as I mentioned, see in the conventional traps which are available in the market, each trap will cost more than 350. But in case of our technology, they have to buy only the liquid lure. If they buy 100 ml of liquid lure, it will come for 20 traps. Just 5 ml per trap they have to add, and trap the farmers need not buy. They can use any used waste water bottle and fill 200 ml of water and 5 ml of this liquid lure and tie in their fields. So in case of fruit crops, it is 10 traps per acre, whereas in case of vegetables, it is 15 traps per acre. So the cost comes down to less than 70%. It is less. Whereas one trap costs 350 to 400 rupees. In case of ours, 100 ml will cost less than for 500 rupees. So they will get 20 traps from that.
Okay. Can Rashvee-IPRS be scaled for both smallholder farmers and large-scale commercial farms?
Yes, because we have multi-lure for the fruit flies. Even a small holder farmer who has a half acre of fruits and also a half acre of vegetables, he need not buy different traps. So if he buys a single multi liquid lure trap, he can use it for both of it. And even in case of high commercial value crops, for example, pomegranate, also it is giving a very good control, the fruit fly IPM technology.
Okay. How does the system address emerging pest challenges linked to climate change, such as shifting pest cycles and invasiveness?
I was speaking about the herbal liquid adjuvant soap which we have developed. So it has a synergistic action. So it can be mixed with any insecticides, and it has a very good control against the sucking pest like aphid, thrips, whitefly, mealybugs, etc. So for example, you can refer to one of our video in our YouTube channel where there was a very high aphid infestation in case of maize. The farmer has used this Rashmi herbal liquid soap, and he got a very good control. And our trap is climate resilient. Currently, there is no climate resilient traps available in the market. The insecticide laced traps, the plywood lure traps which are available in the market at high temperatures, they evaporate, and they are not effective in the field for more than a week or 10 days. But our traps are climate resilient, which has anti-evaporants. So they are effective in the field for more than 65 days.
Okay. What kind of training or knowledge transfer is required for farmers to adapt RASV IPRS effectively?
It is very simple. Even that we have recorded in the farmer feedback. It is very user friendly. It is not a difficult technology which farmers face difficulty in understanding. It is very easy. So once they are coming to our plant health clinic, we are guiding them how to use, and this reduces the pesticide usage also. So they can produce residue-free fruits and vegetables.
Okay. What kind of government or institutional support is needed to scale this innovation?
Yeah, as I mentioned, this product, the fruit fly trap and the Rashmi herbal liquid soap was developed under BIRAC DBT project. So because of this innovative idea, we were granted funding under BIG BIRAC grant. So under this only we have developed them. So now they are commercially available, and it is of good usage all over India. And still we want to scale up, and we also want to export to Middle East countries where a similar fruit fly problem is seen.
Okay. What kind of government or institutional support is needed to scale this innovation?
Yeah, we are trying for some more funding from the government so that we can commercialize and scale up in a large scale.
Okay. Have there been measurable improvements in crop yield and quality after adoption?
Yes, 100%. As I mentioned during my presentation, in case of when they use this BIRAC integrated pest management by using the BIRAC products, the infestation levels came down to less than 10% in case of the BIRAC products, whereas the conventional trap and the conventional methods were used. There, the infestation levels were more than 40% and the yield was very less.
Okay. Uh, I have completed the questions from my side, ma'am. We have few participants logged in here. I'll just check with them.
Okay.
Dr. Abhiram, you have any questions to be asked?
Dr. Abraham Varghese sir is my chairman.
Okay.
I explained in the last slide. So he is I did my PhD under him only in ICR IAHR. He is the former director of ICR NBIR and former head of ICR IAHR. He is from my team only, ma'am. Abraham
Okay.
Varghese sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir, for joining the meeting. Thank you very much, ma'am. We have now completed the round of questions on behalf of agricultureinformation.com. We would like to thank Dr. Rashmi for the talk and for answering the questions. This meeting will now be closed.
Thank you. Thank you for
You're
this
most welcome,
opportunity.
ma'am.